Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week we are working with the long vowel silent E pattern. The pattern for long vowel silent E is one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Looking at our word box above, let's read the words together. We have the word vote, whole, nose, robe, pull, spoke, phone, rope, home. You can see we have pictures that we need to match the words in the word box to the pictures. Our first picture is a picture of a phone. Finger stretch. O-N. Please write phone below the picture of the phone. O-N. Phone. And that O is saying its name because of the long vowel silent E pattern. So please draw the gesture. And I like to cross off the word as soon as I'm done with it. My next picture is a picture of a robe. R-O-B. Robe. Please write the word robe. R-O-B. Robe. And that O is saying its name because of the long vowel silent E pattern. Our next picture is a picture of rope. R-O-P. Rope. Please write rope underneath the picture. R-O-P. And that O is making the long vowel sound O because of that silent E at the end. Our next picture is a picture of a spoke. That part of the wheel that it's pointing to is a spoke. Finger stretch. S-P-O-K. Spoke. Please write spoke. S-P-O-K. Spoke. Long vowel silent E. Our next picture is a picture of a pole. P-O-L. Pole. Please write the word pole. P-O-L. Pole. That O is saying its long vowel sound O because of that silent E at the end. Our next picture is vote. V-O-T. Vote. Please write vote. V-O-T. Vote. Please draw the gesture to show the long vowel silent E. All right, boys and girls, you're on your own for the last three. The last row, there's a picture of a home, picture of a hole, and a picture of a nose. Flip your paper over when you're done. Please write your name at the top of your paper. All right, my friends, we are going to write 5 sentences. So we are going to pick 5 words from the back side of our paper and put each word into a sentence. I'm going to pick the word home. Home. Now I'm thinking of a way to put home into a sentence. My sentence is, I want to go home. So I need a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I, finger space, want, and want is a heart word. I want to go home, with a period at the end. Now you can use my sentence, or you can think of your own sentence that has the word home. Please pause the video and write your sentence. Way to go. The second word I'm going to use from the other side of my paper is the word robe. Robe. The sentence I'm going to use robe in is, I like to wear my soft robe to bed. Capital, beginning, I, finger space, like, to wear my soft robe to bed. I like to wear my soft robe to bed. Again, you may use my sentence or put your own word in a sentence. Please pause the video while you write your sentence. The next word I'm going to use is the word rope. Rope. The sentence I'm going to write is, he can cut the big black rope. Remembering my conventions, I always need a capital at the beginning of every sentence. He can cut that's a heart word. He can cut the big black rope. Go ahead and pause the video while you write your sentence. Okay, my good friends, you are on your own for sentence number 4 and sentence number 5. You are going to pick 2 words from the other side of your paper and put each word into a sentence. Remember to capitalize the beginning of your sentence using finger spaces and ending punctuation. When you're done, please turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go!